morning, everybody. How are you? Today is Friday. Friday morning. The weekend has just started, you can say. It's not a very chilly outside. It's around 18 degrees. I'll be going to a place known as Gises. It's around 40 kilometers from here. I have a site visit with my team. So from there, I'll be heading to the downtown. So Friday being a light day, I don't expect any much of traffic or anything. So I'll be updating you how it goes. I'll just show you some of the clips of the road which I take to reach this place. This is near to the airport, the Dubai International Airport, and it's a very crowded place. It's a residential, commercial, lot of schools, hospitals. It's a very old area, very old. You can say old Dubai. So we'll go there and I'll show you the route, how I go and where, which road I take, and I'll keep you updated. Be with me. This right side, what you see is known as the Dubai Silicon Oasis. This is where some of the silicon companies, you can say, are located. But mostly this is a residential area. It's a very decent area, good locality, and a decent living lifestyle here, and lot of development happening in this Silicon Oasis. It is a separate authority actually, DSO known as Silicon Oasis Separate Authority. So they own this land, and anybody who wants to purchase land, you can purchase and you can develop it. This is how it works. Here it's all freehold properties, and it can be bought by anybody. And now we entered 311. This is known as the Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. Before it was known as Emirates Road. This was before, in the sense, around 8 years ago. Before that, 611 Road, which I told you earlier, was built. So this was the one which was connecting all the 7 Emirates. So later that 611 was built and it was renamed as Emirates Road. And now this is known as Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. These are the people going, these are all the office staff going into Silicon Oasis. So now we are driving towards Sharjah. So that's the reason you are not seeing any traffic. The other side, I think you can see, that is coming from Sharjah. This is like this always. Any time of the day it is like this. So now we are going on the opposite side, so we don't encounter any kind of traffic. So today evening I have one office get together, and tomorrow evening is interesting. So as still the winter is diminishing slowly, so this desert barbecue stuff has not been done this winter. So we have planned some 6 families. We'll be going to the desert, having some nice time. Good food, good drinks. Nearby, the desert is very close to where we stay. So we'll go there, sit for some time. Nice time we'll have it among the families. All the kids are also coming. A nice family event. So we'll go at around 4:35 o'clock when it is bright. Then should be by 10:30 we should be back. I'll post some videos on that. It's a very interesting thing, and everybody does this in Dubai during winters. Good evening, people. How are you all doing today? Just got back from the work now. Just out of the office, going home. Actually, I had a send-off party today of my colleague, but unfortunately it got cancelled. So I'm heading home. Heading a bit early now. It's almost 4:50, something like that. So today I'll not be picking Risha as well because morning I was thinking that this send-off party will be there, but in the last moment this got cancelled. So she got her own car and I came in a different car. So we will be, even she'll be leaving now. She just called me, told another 5 minutes she's also leaving the office. Probably next half an hour even she will reach. Let's see. So it was a very interesting day today. Lot of what I can say challenges was there. Not challenges I can say. There were some issues in some of the plants, some concerns, had some fights with people. Fights in the sense, arguments, normal work stuff. And by the end of the day, it was good. Everything went well. So looking forward for the dessert party in the weekend. Let's see how it goes. So what are you all up to? What are your plans for the next 2 days? Today's paper in College Times, no, not in the College Times, whichever. Today's paper I just mentioned. I saw that the end of winter has already happened. So the winter part is already done. Now it is slightly gonna increase the temperatures. So that is the reason we thought we will go to the desert tomorrow evening. This winter we did not even go, not even once. So this time at least we'll go have some time and we'll see. So looking forward. Let me go home. I don't have any plans in the evening to go out anywhere or do something. Yes, I don't have anything. I'll just sit at home, relax, read a book or watch something on Netflix or something. Do some time pass and sleep early and get up early also. The difference between the other weekdays and weekend, not even weekend, Friday, is really astonishing. I don't know where the people will go during the Friday evening. Yesterday evening, this road was like completely packed. Same time, almost same time, 5:30, 5:15 like that. And today it is just moving with a breeze. Even the road which I came from Dubai Mall was so free. I don't know how this works. Just one day of the week, it has totally changed. The worst traffic days are Mondays. Monday mornings are crazy. But evenings it is same. Every day it is same. There is no change at all. But it will slightly change now during the Ramadan, which starts somewhere on 18th or 19th. Ramadan is a time where the people who celebrate Ramadan, they go for fast. It's known as the Roza. They do fasting from sunrise to sunset, approximately around 10 hours. It depends. Winters, the day is less and the night is more, so that's the reason the fasting time decreases. But during summers it's very, very difficult. It's very hard. People have to fast for 14 hours, 16 hours, 14 hours and all I've seen. But it's good. It's good. It's people really follow it very well, and it's a very, very big event in Dubai. And I love the Ramadan vibes. Excellent. It is excellent. You have a lot of people meeting up. A lot of gatherings happen for iftars, suhoors. I really enjoy this time of the year, the Ramadan period. It's superb actually. It's fantastic vibes actually, fantastic, no doubt. So we are just hitting the Al Ain Road, E66. E means Emirates actually. E6, E611, E311, E11, E66, either. And if you see the exits, like not exits, you can see the internal roads like D86, all those things means it's a part of Dubai. That's what I understand. I thought of going for a bike ride. I don't know how it will work. When did I ride? I rode on Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday I went on a bike. It's very nice feeling, riding a bike. It's like you are in a different world. The air is rushing. Oh, it is so nice here. I love riding. See, this is, you can see, this is known as Mercedes-Benz Places by Benkati City. They are building a complete city. It's not a city, you can say. It is a community. It's a huge community, huge development known as the Mercedes-Benz Places. I seriously don't know how these developments are happening. You know, I'm yawning when I'm talking. I'm getting having a sleepy feeling. Nowadays, a lot of influx of Chinese car. I think I've told you before. See, this is Haval. Even I have one Chinese car, Shuri. Lot of Chinese, lots means lots, plenty of Chinese cars on road. That's FJ Cruiser. You can see the green one. It's one of the best off-roading vehicles. I had this vehicle for 6 to 8 years. I did a lot of off-roading. This was around 7 years ago. It's a very good car. I think they stopped the production of this particular model, FJ Cruiser. I saw this Hummer yesterday also. This comes to our community only. It's an old Hummer. I think Howie is driving also that. It's a huge vehicle. Very difficult to drive. See the traffic. See this? This will go to that underpass. There is only one track which goes to the other side of the road. So all these people will join. Last reached home. Was a wonderful week, productive week. Lot of good things have happened this week. The coming week will be more better, more merrier. So everybody, do good deeds, think positively, have a wonderful weekend. See you next week with some more discussions, talkings, and I'll explain you some other roads or some other events happening in Dubai, and I'll share you some of the desert pictures in the coming week. Till then, see you. Khuda Hafiz. Bye bye.